Oh dear, good morning. It's a new day in Scotland. We have left Loch Ness and we're heading towards Falkirk. We're not going to go there in one day. We're going to halfway stop. I have found a place. I think it's a museum to do with Braveheart, William Wallace. So we're going to try and head towards there, and then it's on to Falkirk Wheel, which I have got a ticket for. I'm hoping I make it in time. We're different. We drive till we feel like stopping. So hopefully we'll make it in time. Andy's concentrating because we're on the road that broke our mirror. Some parts go really narrow, so that's why Andy's quiet. It's a beautiful, I mean it's a little bit raining, but the views, the views are just like beautiful. I mean we are going back on the A82. Well, you can't see nothing there but trees. We are on the A82 I think, so we're going to be going back through Glencoe and all that I think, isn't we? We ain't talking, so I think we are, so look at the views. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, if we won the lottery tonight, I'd definitely buy a house or some land up here. It's just different. The people are very friendly, and it's just a different way really when compared to at home where it's busy life for us. So, but yes, we are on the way to Falkirk, so if anything interesting happens I will pick the camera back up. But we just not boring, but it's a bit of a wonk road, so some road work things. Anyway, catching a bit, so to the pit. So on the way to Falkirk, Andy has come across this Laggan Dam on the River Spean. He has done some drone view of it, which is spectacular. But look, absolutely gorgeous. Look at it there. Now he was on about the park up. He was thinking of staying here, but the trouble is we've got to get to Falkirk Wheel. So I bought a ticket. Now this dam was completed in 1934. Look at that. And the reason that was in 1934 because it's on here. So it's the waters of Loch Laggan. I don't know if you can see it. But that is beautiful. You'll see better on the drone. Oh, stunning. Beasts. There's one. I'm going to stick one here as well. I need another one. There we are. Now I'm going to have to go and get another sticker for there. So let's go and get one off Handy. Actually, that's right, I've got it the right way there. Right, I need another sticker, so I should just pause you a second. One more sticker. Right, let's put this by. Not sure if you're watching Seth, but we're right next to you. There we are, and there we are, and there we are. The beasts are everywhere. Peanuts in the window.
Hello.
I'm having a mad moment. So we've got some.
The one with the big whacking lens on the front.
Oh, right then. I think we need to go. So we'll see you in a bit. So toodle peep, toodle peep.
Did a bit. So we've stopped. We're on our way to Falkirk. Won't get to Falkirk today. We'll probably do halfway, another 30 or 40 miles, and then we'll probably park up. So we stopped here at a place called Laggan Dam. I hope that I'm pronouncing it right. Probably not. But you should see, honestly, just slowest and noisiest electric window. But look at that. That is just epic. And the backdrop of the mountain is just spectacular. But yeah, so onwards and upwards. I'm gonna do a bit of droning. You'll probably see it now. And onwards and upwards towards Falkirk.
I'm looking for caravan holidays.